Hey my friends, in this video I'm going to talk about two main things. So I will make this video very short and I need to post this video on YouTube and Instagram as soon as possible. Number one, the lace closure and lace frontal in China are becoming less and less. That means very soon, listen carefully, very soon the lace closure, the lace closure and lace frontal, only two things, lace closure and lace frontal, will be out of stock very soon in China. It's not only me, it's all about the vendors. That means very soon a lot of buyers, they cannot find the lace closure and lace frontal very soon because of the coronavirus around the world. The coronavirus broke the industry trend. A lot of factories cannot make lace closure and lace frontal in North Korea. I hope some new people, I hope some new customers don't misunderstand me. Some of the questions I don't really want to answer because it's very, they can find on website there and on my videos. So some people, they really make me very headache. They just like to ask very simple, very simple questions. That is kind of I'm sorry I'm saying this, but you can find a lot of answers to your questions on the website. So let's go back to the two main things. Number one, the lace closure and lace frontal will be out of stock very soon in China, and you will not find any. Even you find the lace closure and lace frontal, the prices will be very high very soon. I'm saying very soon. If not in June, it will be in July. If not in June, it will be in July, because now we are short of the lace closure and lace frontal. I'm saying the lace closure and lace frontal, so you need to listen carefully to what I'm saying. I only lace closure and lace frontal, okay? So buy what is available on our website now, because the lace closure and lace frontal will not wait for you. Buy what is available on the website now. Don't just wait. If you wait, you will not get any lace closure and lace frontal very soon. Don't wait. I'm very serious. Don't wait. Just buy what is available on the website. For us, we have enough lace closure 4x4 straight and body weight, 4x4 straight and body weight, and 13x4 lace frontal straight and body weight. And other texture are becoming less and less. I'm not saying we don't have now, I'm saying it's becoming less and less. You don't need to ask about the HD lace now, because even you wait for 5 months, no one will supply you HD lace. I'm saying very seriously. Like 1 month ago, a lot of vendors, they are starting to sell the fake HD lace now. Like 1 month or 2 months ago, a lot of vendors are starting to sell the fake HD lace now, because we are really lack of HD lace. So now, if you are my regular customers, when you ask me, hey Hyman, do you have HD lace? You can see I only send you the 7x7 HD lace. I only send you 7x7 HD lace, 20 inch straight 7x7 HD lace, and the 13x4 HD 13x4 lace frontal. Some lenses we have available on the website now, but the customers are buying every day. So we are going to sell out very soon. So let me say again, lace closure, lace frontal, to buy what is available on the website now. Don't need to wait, okay? If you think I'm just kidding, you can wait, and you will see after 2 months if you can find any lace closure and lace frontal. If you think I'm kidding now, no. My regular customers will know what I'm saying. And number two, regarding the shipping. Now, because of the coronavirus in the US, it's getting worse and worse. You see how many positive cases are tested every day. The numbers are increasing. The fear is growing. The shipping time is prolonged longer. Let me tell you, as a DHL, when we ship by DHL, normally it's faster now, at least 4 to 7 working days to the US. Listen, 4 to 7 working days to the US by DHL. And for FedEx is probably longer. But I want to tell you, my customers, my dear clients, don't expect that we will ship the hair for you only by DHL, because we only ship the hair for customers who order first. We ship the hair for them first by DHL, and after certain amount of orders, we will ship by FedEx. So listen carefully. When you order the hair on our website, if you want us to ship by DHL, you need to write in the comment box. When you order on the website, you need to write on the comment box that please ship by DHL. Then we will ship by DHL for you only after certain amount of orders. For example, DHL only gives us limited space. DHL only gives us limited space to ship every day. So after certain amount of orders, we cannot ship anymore DHL. Then we choose to ship by FedEx. So you need to understand this situation in the US. Don't ask me, hey, Hyman, how many days can I receive my orders? How many days can I receive my packages? I can't answer you. If you want the hair quick, don't buy from us. Stop buying from us. You can buy from other vendors, because I don't want to have any disputes with you. Some ladies, they are very crazy. If for the long time they don't receive the hair, they will argue and talk about a lot of bad things on our channel. They will talk about bad things on YouTube, Instagram about us. So these ladies are very crazy. They are lack of understanding. So when we ship by FedEx for you, you need to be patient and be understanding that's the situation around the world. But all the customers receive their hair, no problem. You just need to be patient in these times. So listen to this video carefully. Less closure, less frontal, and the shipping time. Every day, DHL only gives us limited space to ship the orders for the customers. So after a certain amount of orders per day, then we will ship some hair by with FedEx. FedEx is little bit longer time to arrive in US. So you need to understand. If you want us to ship DHL, every day we can only ship limited orders by DHL. And we can ship more orders by FedEx. Every day. And every day we can ship only limited orders by DHL. You understand me? Listen carefully. So, for example, today you order, oh, some other customer already ordered before you. So we already reached the limited space with DHL. So today we're gonna ship DHL for you. And if you want us to ship by DHL, then we need to wait another day. The next day we ship by DHL for you. Understand? So otherwise you choose FedEx the same day. You understand me? Okay, now, for example, this is the night time now. It's very late. It's very late now, 12 o'clock, but I need to make this video because tomorrow we have a lot of orders. So a lot of people want shipping. So now it's night time here. a lot of customers already order hair by DHL. So if you order now and we check the orders tomorrow, oh, we already reached the limited space with DHL, then because some people already ordered before you, so for you, we should buy FedEx. Otherwise, you write the messages on our website, you tell us that you want to ship by DHL. Otherwise, we should buy FedEx. Understand me? So I hope you can listen this video carefully. And any questions, just ask me on WhatsApp.